What's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to install carbon fiber handbrake cover on your F30 BMW. The install is very easy and the carbon fiber looks much nicer than the basic OEM cover. I do have a product link in the description if you're interested in purchasing the same one I got. Besides the cover itself, you also need a trim removal tool, zip ties which come with the product, and something to cut the zip ties with. You start by using the trim removal tool to remove the dust cover. It's held in by some clips but pops out pretty easily. After that, you pull the dust cover forward and cut the existing zip tie. From here, you need to remove the OEM handbrake cover, and this does require pulling hard. Here's the OEM versus the one we will be installing. I think it's a nice upgrade. The next step is to insert the carbon fiber cover on, which requires pushing pretty hard. After that, you will see the groove where the original zip tie was. You just wrap the new zip tie over that same spot. And then just cut the zip tie. Now you can clip the dust cover back into place. And that is it. I love the way this looks. The product link is in the description. Leave me a like and a comment if you found this video helpful.